If you're a woman and you're looking for ways to make passive income on the internet streets, then this video is for you. This video is for you whether you are a stay-at-home mom or a 9-to-5 worker or a student. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 side hustle ideas for women in 2024. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Chandra's Corner. In this channel, we talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, and various ways to make money online. So if these are the kind of videos you enjoy watching, please click on the subscribe button to join the family. And turn on your post notification too, so that whenever I upload videos like this on my channel, you'll be the first to know. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So without beating around the bush or wasting much time, the first side hustle idea I'm going to be talking about here is a booming field that a lot of people has not really realized that they can tap into as a woman to make money off of the internet streets. And that idea is called licensing. Become a licensing agent to help individuals register their business with the right licensing body. Okay, in the case of Nigeria, the right licensing body for business registration, company registration, association registration is CAC, which is the Corporate Affairs Commission. And recently, the Corporate Affairs Commission had issued a mandate that all POS operators need to register their business. So as far as you're a POS operator, as far as you operate any kind of business in Nigeria, you need to register that business with CAC. Try to count the number of POS operators you know around. All of these individuals will be looking for ways to register their business with CAC as mandated. And you know the good thing with the CAC registration, they've modified it and made it so simple that you can stay from the comfort of your home. As far as you have a phone or you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can be able to help people register their business as a CAC licensed agent. Now, how do you make this money? The average registration fee for a CAC agent when it comes to opening an enterprise or what we call a business name registration is about 20,000 or more. For CAC agents, most times they charge for limited liability companies, they charge about 60,000 or more, right? To be able to help you register your company as a limited liability company, depending on the number of share capital that your company needs to be registered with. Okay, and then thirdly, you have NGO and association. CAC agents charges about 120,000 to help you register your business under CAC. Mind you, if you're a business owner, you can go online on the CAC website and register your business by yourself without contacting a CAC agent. But these agents help take the trouble out of your hand. Of course, I'm a CAC agent and I help people register their business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. CAC registration is not free, even if you're doing it yourself. So for business name registration, or what we call enterprise registration, CAC collects about 11,000 naira or so, as at the time this video was made, to be able to register your business, okay, on that platform. Now, an agent is charging 20,000 naira. Let's do the maths together. This agent charges 20,000. He or she pays CAC 11,000 and he or she has 9,000 naira as a gain for registering this business on behalf of the owner of these businesses. Now, for business limited liability company, depending on the share capital, most CAC agent charges about 60,000 naira to be able to help you register your business. The actual amount that CAC registration requires is about 20-something thousand naira, 20,000 naira or more, depending on your share capital. If an agent is charging 60,000 naira and is remitting 20,000 naira to CAC website, the remaining 40,000 naira is his or her gain. NGO, 120,000 naira. They are remitting about 50,000 naira to CAC. The remaining balance, 70,000 naira, is their own. Imagine that all of these POS operators, for example, they are all looking for who will help them register their business with CAC. You can start marketing yourself, going to this POS operator and telling them that you will help them register their business for a fee of 20,000 naira. That's for enterprise registration. So imagine in a month you're able to convince 10 POS operators or 10 businesses. It doesn't have to be only POS operators, but I'm using POS operators because of the mandates that CAC has given out. Okay, if you're able to convince these people to give you the job of helping them register their business, 9,000 naira is what you gain from helping one POS operator register his or her business. Multiply that by 10 in a month. That's if you're able to convince. It can be more, it can be less, but multiply it by 10. That's a total of about 90,000 naira for registration. Okay, which is your gain. The 9,000 naira times 10 is 90,000 naira. That will be your gain for helping a business register their business as an enterprise under CAC. Now, for limited liability company, you make about 40,000 naira, okay? Because you charge about 60,000 naira and you spend about 20,000 naira for CAC registration, as at when this video was being made. Now, you have an extra profit of 40,000. Remember, is about this money can be more or can be less depending on your marketing skills and your bargaining power. Multiply that 40,000 naira by, let me say 5. That's about 200,000. If you multiply it by 10 in a month, that's about 400,000 that you've gotten as your profit. The reason why this particular CAC registration business is evergreen is because every single day people are opening companies. It's not going to stop. Everybody wants to become an entrepreneur. Everybody wants to have a small business of their own. I have a small business that I'm running on the side, and it is duly registered under the CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, so this is what a lot of people are doing. Even students who are going to school, most of them are running businesses on the side. Because of this CAC mandate, you have to register your business. If you must do your business the right way, you have to register it under the Corporate Affairs Commission. So it's not going to stop. In the nearest future, people will still be opening companies and be requiring agents to help them open it. I'm going to leave on the screen a picture of 1 or 2 CAC agents that have been able to successfully conquer the CAC market. See how much they've been able to register and multiply that to see how much the person has made so far as a CAC agent. Becoming a CAC agent is not hard. Okay, I can make a video teaching you how to become a CAC agent. I can also make a video to teach you how to register your business yourself under the Corporate Affairs Commission. But if you would want me to do that, I need you to leave CAC training in the description. Just write CAC training. If I see that the request for this training is high, then I'm going to make a video if the demand for it is high. The second side hustle or passive income idea for women in 2024 is coaching and mentorship. What's coaching and mentorship? Is basically somebody who knows how to do something, who is an expert in a particular field, coming to teach other people. Okay, let's bring it down home. For example, if you used to be overweight and you successfully are able to lose that weight to live a very healthy lifestyle, maybe you now have a balanced weight for your body size, you can monetize that knowledge by coaching other people who are struggling with their weight, teaching them how to get back their previous body by losing all unhealthy weight, either through healthy eating or fitness or all of that. Because you've successfully mastered the art of being healthy and attaining a certain weight level, you can decide to become a coach or a mentor to other people who are looking for this information. So if you're able to master this and you're able to mentor people, you can charge a fee for you to take these people step by step until they are able to lose the weight that they have acquired. There are other departments or there are other fields that you can choose to become a coach or a mentor in. For example, you can choose to become a coach or a mentor in business growth. If you've successfully built a small business for yourself and you've grown this business to achieve maybe 6 figures, 7 figures, or 8 figures, you are kind of an expert in your field. You can decide to start coaching people, to start helping small business owners grow their business to attain to the level where you have gotten to. If you're even a mother and you've been able to successfully balance motherhood and your wifely duties and just being a woman in general, you can decide to become a life coach, teaching women how to balance motherhood and every other aspect of their life. So you see that this thing is a very vast field, and you can charge. People will be more willing to pay you if they see that you've succeeded in your craft. Okay, if you are, maybe you're trying to toe the fitness line, if you show your before and your after, anybody who sees how big or how overweight you were before and how you've successfully been able to like reduce the weight to a healthier weight size, they will be more willing to pay you money for you to teach them, because they've seen that you are capable of bringing results. Because to be fair, or to be sincere, nobody will be willing to pay you if they've not seen proof that you can actually help their life. So you can use yourself as a form of testimony to show people that, okay, I've been able to do this, so I'm in a better position to teach you how to do this. For you to be able to succeed in this career coaching, if you're a starter or if you're somebody that is about to start, one thing you need to do is to build an online presence for yourself. Build a portfolio for yourself. To build an online presence, all you need is probably a website or a social media account: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform. Build a presence for yourself on one of the platforms or on all of them if you're capable of doing so. Secondly, you need to build a portfolio. How do you build a portfolio? If you're a life coach and nobody has seen what you can do, of course, people might be less willing to give you money. You can offer free tips, free advice, free tutorials to people. The more people see the benefit of what you offer, the more they'll be more inclined to pay. So maybe if you offer free services for a while, then you can start charging small. People will be more willing to pay you if they see that what you're teaching them is bringing results. This is just to help you build your portfolio. That way you have evidences to show to other people by the time you start charging an amount of money, either a big or small amount of money, to become a mentor. Okay, so start now to build your brand. Start now to start talking. Create a social media account or create a website and start giving out your experiences and tips on this social media platform. The more people see what you're offering and the more they benefit from what you're offering, the more likely they will be to follow you and to purchase whatever course or whatever mentorship that you have to offer them. The third skill that you can learn and practice as a woman to make money in 2024 is to sell a digital product. I think this is one of the simplest skill. If you're somebody that doesn't have any idea what to do yet, you can think about selling a digital product. Digital product is the easiest form of making passive income online. Why? Because you don't need to consider cost of shipping. You don't need to consider, should I send this customer a sample so that they will see what I have and know if they want it. You don't need to consider anything that has to do with the physicality of the product you're selling. You don't need to consider it. You just need to create a product, an online product, like an ebook. And you create it once and you don't create it again, except you want to create another one. Once you've created that ebook and put it out in the market, that's all. You're not doing any other thing again, aside from allowing that one that you've put out in the market to start yielding income for you, except if you want to create another one and another one and another one. And of course, ebooks can be made in any niche you can think about. If you can create a journal teaching people how to remain consistent as content creators, you can create a journal teaching businesses how to advertise their business online for them to be able to get more sales. But there are various niches when it comes to creating and selling a digital product. Now, if you want to start, there are websites like Amazon KDP where you can sell your digital products. There are also websites like Seller. In Nigeria, I think Seller is the more popular one. You can create a digital product and sell it on Seller, and you still get money in return when people purchase this your item. But for you to actually make money in making digital products, you just don't go in and start creating any random thing. You can just sit down, make your research. That thing you're very good in, start researching it. Look for a gap in the market. Look for what a lot of people are not doing yet, something that will make you stand out from your peers. So once you discover a gap in the market, start creating digital products or start creating content around that gap in the market. You will see that you will start selling, you will go viral, because this is something people are looking for, but few people are finding. So if you create something around those gaps in the market, in whatever niche that you can think of, then know that you will definitely be able to come out making actual money from selling digital products. The fourth option, guys, whatever you're doing, among these five options that I'm mentioning now, make sure you listen to number 1 and number 4. Number 1 and number 4 are kind of the most important to tips that I'm going to give out in this video. So if you're not going to take anything home from what I've said, number 1 and number 4 should be your only take home, if that's the only thing that you think benefits you. And if you're still watching this video until now, please like. I'll wait for you. Like this video. Okay, thank you so much for liking this video. Now let's continue. The number 4 side hustle idea for women in 2024 is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, becoming a YouTuber. That cannot be overemphasized, guys. YouTube is the oldest paying platform, social media platform, that has been paying for the longest time. Okay, before these other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and the rest started monetizing, YouTube has been monetizing and paying their content creators a long time ago. For you to be able to succeed in whatever thing you want to do, when it comes to creating awareness about your brand, comes to coaching, when it comes to selling a digital product and all, the best way to advertise yourself as a small business owner is creating a YouTube channel. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you might think you really do not have a lot going for you, but no. If, for example, you have female children and you're the one who makes their hair yourself, or probably you're the one who makes your children's clothes yourself, you know how expensive these things can be. If you've successfully been able to make your children's hair for a considerable number of time, you've gained a certain mastery over children's hair and how to make them look beautiful. You can start creating content around it. So you can start creating videos, educating other mothers how to balance work life, how to balance family life. I'm using this as examples. I believe that when you sit down to think about what you're really good at, you'll be able to come up with more examples, okay? Maybe I'm resonating more with stay-at-home moms because I'm a stay-at-home mom and I run my business from home. But then, if you sit down to really think about what you're really good at, I know you'll come up with something. And with time, if you're consistent enough, you can start making money on all the streams that YouTube has put out there to help content creators make money, like the YouTube partnership program, which is the YouTube monetization we all talk about, the super thanks, super chats, super stickers. You can also make money as an affiliate. Like I said, if people trust you as an authority in your field, they'll be willing to buy anything you want to sell for them. So you can start making money as an affiliate, putting affiliate links of things you have bought, okay, on your videos, and you will see that some people who love you enough will click on those links to purchase an item from you. The last point I'm going to mention here is to sell a local product. Unlike digital products, local products are physical products, okay? They are not digital. It's not an ebook that somebody can download. It's something that once somebody is interested in, you send it to them from whatever location. But this particular one now will be like you have an online store, not a physical store where you go and rent a space and put other things. You can do that, but if you run like an online store, you can stay in the comfort of your home and sell any physical item of your choice. But I'm talking about locally made products that is peculiar to your space, to your area, the area where you live in. This is mostly beneficial if you live in a city where like it attracts a lot of tourists. You can just start making advertisements about things like this and then looking for ways to sell them. Locally made products, things like adire, things like native beads that we wear, things like this calabash thingy for craft and the rest that I talked about, etc. Okay, etc. There are different things that you can make, you can source for locally. Hey, you know all these wooden raffia palm things that you make out of raffia palms and the rest, and wood. It's something that is common to our location here in Nigeria. You can decide to start selling locally sourced for or locally made items or food or drinks and the rest, okay? But you advertise these products and this physical food and drinks and the rest online. You don't even need to live in a high tourist area for you to be able to advertise your wares and to sell them. You have the internet for a reason. You have social media for a reason. Gone are the days when social media used to be just a place to go and get entertainment or to go and post pictures and post videos for people to like, comment, and share and all of that. Social media, when used wisely, can help you make 6 to 7 figure income if it is used wisely. All right, guys, these are the 5 side hustle ideas I have for you today. Try just one of these tips. Just try it diligently and consistently and see how well you're going to fare. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.